Alright, so in this video, we just want to look out on some volatility pairs, that's volatility indices, right? So let's wait for some of us to join before we actually start talking about some, some basic things, right? All right. So someone also asked me to do a video on how to know the directional bias of market structure and the directional bias of a pair, right? That's how to know is it on an uptrend or on a downtrend. So first of all, one of the things I'll say is for you to know whether the market is on an uptrend or a downtrend, you must know the structure where it's coming from, because structure is everything basically. Once you know the structure, you can now know the bias if it's on an uptrend or a downtrend, because when the market is on a downtrend or an uptrend, it makes use of, for an uptrend, it makes use of higher and higher lows. When the market is on a downtrend, it makes use of lower lows and lower highs. So you must understand that is um, it's very important to know structure, right? So let's see volatility 10. Let's see, let's start from there. Okay, so these guys, what are the pairs that you want us to what are the pairs that you want us to analyze? Please share it on the comment section so that we can just look at it quickly before the pairs that you want us to look at, the pairs you love us to look at before we. But I hope you guys can hear me. I hope you guys can hear me. Please, if you can hear me, just say you can hear me so that you know I don't get to talk to myself all the way. So what are the pairs you want us to look at currently? What are the pairs you want us to look at? Okay, VSTEM one is, so we'll start from there. I just saw Rena's comment and it said VSTEM one is. All right, all right. I think this is it. So it's clear that VSTEM one is on a downtrend, right? Do we all agree? Do we all agree? So it's clear that VSTEM one is on a downtrend. And now, what can I see currently? Market swept this liquidity and started tanking. So what am I expecting for price to? Because this was what market did basically. Higher, lower high, lower low. Now market used that as liquidity, swept it a little bit, and price is still coming down basically. So this is I've had over the time, right? Over time. So we're also going to do V75. I'm also going to do seeing someone said V75, but this is my direction. Currently, I'll just go to, so we're expecting market to take out this low, right? But price has gone way, far. So, but let's just look at 30 minutes to see what it's currently doing. Then let's see if we can see a setup that we can take from here currently. So currently, you see that the market, missed this. If I had seen this, but the market gave us swept this high, right? Swept this that high. Although it swept there from, it's not like there was anything that made it. There was nothing really. Okay, after sweeping this liquidity, but I will not just take a trade like this because I'm not seeing anything on the 4-hour time frame there that will sponsor this move that's currently happening. But if you look closely, you see that there was a break of structure, and because you know the directional buyer, this is the other block that you would have waited for. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Please, if you understand what I'm saying, please just signify. But there's no liquidity to be used here for this trade. So this trade is a no-no. Although we can say, okay, let's wait for this again. There was a sweep, break of structure to the down. So this is liquidity that needs to be taken out. And now, where are we waiting for price to come to? Price should take out this liquidity. And now, where are we selling from this other block of mitigation or breaker block, one of them? So this is what I'm expecting to continue to sell if possible. So when price gets there, let's see what will happen from there to the low that we talked about. I hope you guys are getting what I'm saying. I hope you guys are getting what I'm saying. If you're getting it, please. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. All right, so said V75. That was determination there. Okay, V75. Please, I want us to do something. Can you please just share this link on our status? Just put maybe regarding trading, people should subscribe and all. Please, let's do that before we continue or before we dive into V75. But before then, I'm going straight to V75 to see what we have there. But I hope this is clear already. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. So now let's go to V75. So this is V75. Determination say haven't price swept liquidity yet. On the 4 hour time frame, there was no really clear liquidity that price swept at that V101S. Or let's check it again. Let me explain what I was saying there. On this V101S, on the 4 hour time frame, you will not see currently. I'm talking about the current price though. You will not see any on the 4 hour time, you don't see anything that price is coming from this region. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, it's just been blank. I'm even thinking price will come back to take out that high, like to take out that high and now tank. But currently, let's just follow what we're seeing, right? So, but nothing. It was so. Do you get what I'm saying? You understand? So that's why. So let's go to V75, like you said. So for V75, I hope you guys are getting it. I hope you guys are getting it. For V75, so for V75, so this is V75 daily time frame, and clearly we are on a what downtrend. Clearly. Does anyone have any contrary opinion about this? We're on a downtrend. It's so clear that we are on a downtrend. So if I'm correct, just say yeah, downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. So yeah, so this is it. Clearly took out that low, and price wants to do this stuff like this, something like this, and now move all the way down. But currently, let's see what's going on here because to be very honest, I'm seeing something. But although what I normally do is I take fib, that's here. I take the fib and I take it from the high to the low, and price should retrace into the 50% at least. But if you look this high, why I marked it this high as I want to change to red. So why no sorry, let me change that back. I wanted to change this line to red so that you get what I'm saying. Why I marked that out as liquidity is because it's below the 50%. Is below the 50%. And now, if you look at it, you'll see that there was a sweep of this low. All right, there was a sweep of that low, and there's a resistance zone at this level that price is currently reacting from. Although I would love it to take out that high, but now currently it's on that resistance zone, right? It's on the resistance zone. You get what I'm saying? is on the resistance zone, and one of the things that confirm that resistance zone is the liquidity, this high that was provided here, this high. So, but so we can actually expect, we can actually see a turnaround from here, if possible, from here to the downside. To be very honest, sometimes it does not come to the 50%. I can show you scenarios or stuff, examples like that. Although for this, I think it came to the 50% from here to here. It came into the 50%. It came into the right. Which one should I use that might make sense? Or maybe I'll use another pair to explain what I'm saying, basically. So you must now look for the change of character in the 30 minutes time frame from this your region currently. So now on the 30 minutes time frame, price enter that resistance level, give us a, although I've been looking for buys all throughout because I knew that definitely price wants to retrace all the way back to the liquidity level. But if you look at this, you see that the momentum is not high, so I'm not seeing this sell happening. I'm not seeing this sell happening because the momentum of this sellers is not high yet. So I think this place will be taken out. So just keep your fingers crossed on this. Once price comes down, even if below to this point, let's still look for buys to take out this level. So that's what I'm expecting for V75. Even if price does not necessarily come back, but look for buys because the buys is more favorable. Because now we are currently on a minor uptrend to take out liquidity and now continue to sell. I hope that is clear. So I think I have something on V75, V51s currently. That's currently that we can even take as far. Oh my God, it's already dropping so massively already. So this is it. This is it. Let me go to the this is liquidity for the zone. These are liquidity for that zone. Now, why? Let me just, okay, first of all, the question I'll ask is, are we on an uptrend or a downtrend? That's the first thing I'll ask. Are we on an uptrend or on a downtrend on this pair? Currently, like looking at the current structure, what can we see? We saw, let's just see from here to here. So higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? Higher high, higher low. Now what happened? Price came, gave us a higher low, then give us a lower high, then poof to the downside. So are we on an uptrend or a downtrend? Come on, let me receive this call. Hello, Abine. I'm currently, let's chat, please. Yeah, I can hear you. Let's chat, please. So, all right, sorry for that. So you get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying, basically. I hope that's clear. Sorry, coming. So can you see what I saw? Although I was still looking at it from another angle or another perspective, but if you look clearly, this has been the major break to the down. Don't know if you get what I'm saying. So this has been the major break to the down. That means we're expecting this flow to be taken out. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, basically. Maybe if you have a contrary opinion or maybe if you have a contrary opinion, you can also share, right? But you see that that high has been the highest high and this has been the lowest low. And all these are just noise, but it's just like saying lower low, lower high, then poof to the down. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, something like this. So now this shift was something that although I was looking for buys from here because I felt or I felt like okay, this is look, let me show you what I saw so that you understand why I was looking for buys from that place. I took out my feed from here to here and I saw that that was the exact 50%. That was the line I placed 50%, and I was okay, it should retrace from there. But I was like, I'm going to stop buys from here. So currently it's at that region. So let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. So on the 30 minutes time frame, we could see the momentum. So we're supposed to be currently like we're supposed to be on this trade already, but I missed it at that entry because I would love to have entered exactly from the order block on the on this on that place, right? So now currently, what can we do? We've missed that entry, so what can we do? There was a sweep, there was a break to the downside. Although, let's just see, we'll have two setups basically. So one will be at this block, but the stop loss will be just above this. Then now let's take it to the down. Although we'll just take out this low so that we'll be safe in case it wants to see change direction. So this is one setup one, or or we wait for it to come to this resistance level up here and we'll sell. So these are the two setups for this pair. So let's just wait patiently to see. It might even happen during the live session, but I don't think so. So if you have any other pair that you want us to actually look at, if you have any pair that you want us to actually still look at, you can go ahead. You can comment the pair that you want us to look at, and if that is the last one we did just now is clear, please let's or you have a contrary opinion. Euro USD, that's currency. Okay, that's currency. I think I had something. So Euro USD, basically. I think I already did the. Okay, so just to quickly say this, expecting this level, this place to be taken out. This place 1.0532 to be taken out because this is the liquidity I'm seeing here. The price needs to take out current. So I'm expecting a push, but although this low might be a liquidity for this other block that's here. So this low that is here might be a liquidity for that other block. So I'm expecting buys basically for Euro USD. Although it's at a minor uptrend because there was a shift on the daily time frame. Price came into this other block, went up. This is what I'm saying. Came down. Sorry, price went up, came down, went up, came down, and now what will it do? Obviously, so this is why I'm expecting this. If you have, maybe you might have a contrary opinion, you can also share it on the group. But this one basically expecting. But I hope this is clear. I don't know. Might have other opinions about this SAUSD. SAUSD, to be very honest, I've not really checked it out clearly, or I've not really seen anything. But basically, I don't know if you guys remember, there was a setup of buy I sent. Since that time, it has been buying. So for now, I can't really say anything on this, to be very honest. I can't really say anything on that. On determination, what where are you seeing some sales? Where are you seeing some sales? Where in particular? You saw a sale on EU2. Okay, you can also see share so that we can also see. Because I understand the fact that if you look at it from this perspective, you see that you can want to look for sales. You will be tempted to look for sales, to be very honest. You'll be tempted to look for sales. But because of this original bias here, that this buy should close here, we shouldn't be looking for sales because I know there is a clear, according to the concept we trade though, I know what you saw, Reynald. So you see that there is a clear sweep and this yeah. So this is a sell. Even me, I saw it, but I was more interested in the buy because I knew that the buy would the buy is the original direction or is in line with the original direction. And all this, if you look, the resistance, they will not be holding because price is bullish. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but let's see how this goes. Price might come down, sweep as it is going, they need to come and buy from somewhere. That's what I am expecting, or what I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So, is there any pair maybe you want us to do? Yeah, that's where I went to. I didn't even see your message before I went to 4 hour time because I saw the chat you sent, right? The chat you sent basically. So yeah, so let's see which other pair on okay, V10, 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 V10. So this we'll send it. I'll send it to the group. I'll send this to the group. So let me just take a screenshot of this and let's see how this will go. And also let's see V10 because V10 I think a setup came this morning about V10. Although I was not looking for sales for V10 because I knew where price was coming from and where price was going to. If you look where price is going to currently, so if you look, V10 have been on a bullish, it's clear bullish. Although I missed this buy from this down, I would have bought from here, take my TP here, but I missed that buy. You could see clearly it's self-explanatory to be very honest. So you see clearly that oh there was a shift and there was a break, there was a liquidity, and now this is so price is currently coming here. I'm not looking for sales for V10. Price swept this liquidity, came into this support level here, and now what happened? Poof. So that's why that sell, I wasn't really looking at that sell because I knew that obviously price will take out that high. So yeah, basically that's that for V10. So we're expecting a retracement into somewhere here again and now continue the buy. But I don't think it will even retrace. I think it will just keep on going all the way up until it takes out that high, right? So yeah, basically that's how some trades are. If you miss them, you might not get to enter them again. So I don't know. Yeah. So basically, I don't know if there's any other volatility pair I would love to check. V751S, V751S. All right, please guys give me like 5 minutes. 5 minutes, I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Sorry, guys. Yeah, Reese 15. All those new, all those new ones. I don't really know. Let me continue on downloading. Right here, coming. Okay, maybe when I'm done with this, I'll just download. Okay. So yeah, sorry for I just needed to. All right. See what I want us to do now. I don't know. For those of us that are here, the pair that I'm currently waiting for V751S. This is setup. I'm looking for buy um, because of this. Oh, the network is really. Oh, yeah, but this is it. This is the setup. So what I'm looking for buy, because I saw something previously here, which is this breaker block or mitigation block, whatever, reacting this, making this price react to this point. Although there was this, if you look, I drew other zone because that's another block that price have been reacting from. So I'm being very careful to look out for sales to the down to. Still going to look for in case price reacts here from these zones. Still going to look out for sales and all. But currently, we're looking for buy because if you go to the 30 minutes time frame, you see clearly. You see clearly that price took other high. So obviously, what are we looking for? Waiting for price to come back all the way to these deep discounts and buy. So that's what I'm expecting for V. Then for V100 is currently V100 is something else. Has left us, to be very honest. V100, I literally wasn't really live, but when I came back, although I saw it though, but I did not just take it that period. This was the buy I saw from here all the way to this up. Because what happened? Our setup, sweep, break, second break. In fact, would have been buying from here if I didn't see although I don't see a clear level on the daily time frame, but that was why I now shifted it to the down because the other block was on the daily time frame. So yeah, basically that was why I now, so price is going to take out this level. To be honest, price is going to take out this level, but we are already far from this. Just have to just wait for it to retrace back to. So the only setup we could see clearly or we could get is the V51S. The V51S, and I think it's even tanking. It's going down, it's going down currently. So if you have any question, if you still have any question, if you still have questions or anything at all that you want us to see check, you can see check. But let's keep our finger crossed on this. Something might still happen. something might still happen. So yeah, and also okay, let's just there was a trade that hit our stop loss this morning that Reynolds called out to. So basically, yeah, that trade, that 151s trade, I was looking for buy because of something. Although I saw that okay, it's a risky buy because when trading some certain when trading some pairs, basically what I saw was okay, it came into I was expecting a reversal because price has been, going down and all right. So I was expecting a reversal, although I saw this push. That I now felt like, oh, this was a liquidity for this level. Although it has not really entered the whole order block. This was the whole order block. But buying from here is very risky. So let's just follow the trend. And following the trend, will be selling or buying. So yeah, basically. Although if you looked at this, you see that I got a sell trade from that level. I think that was last week. I got a sell trade from that level whereby I was targeting this level, but I wanted to continue the buy. And if you look, I saw a sweep from this level, from this point. I saw that sweep and I saw with this I can now reduce this to this. But this might take out because it's on a downtrend. So basically, yeah, that's how it is. I think I made $6 loss on this. So that's how it is when you get to. Although if you look at this, if you look, I drew this. So if price is actually going to use this very well, that means it should take out this low. So definitely. So that's why this trade um, I was really confident on this sell from here because I knew that okay, price was coming from here, price was coming from here, so obviously price will take out this low. But I was not like okay, there might be a reversal time and also yeah, yeah. So that's it basically. Okay, you think this 51 is to respect the higher order block? Obviously, you can use anyone. They can choose to because one of the things this market does is that they can choose to pick the they can choose to pick the one that people might be a lot of people might be waiting for the sales there. So they might want to not use that. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, because they might look at it as oh, okay, if we use that, a lot of people will. Yeah, it's a liquidity. Like I said, yeah, it's a liquidity. It's a liquidity. That this one is a liquidity from this. If this is holding like it has been holding, break and if you see the clear structure, it will take it out. So we're not buying from there. We're not buying from there to take it out. So let's go to that V51s that I was talking about so that you understand something. No one can take your glory. So yeah, basically a lot of people might be waiting for it here, right? A lot of people might be waiting for it here. And also a lot of people will be waiting for a break support. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So this might actually be the best order block to use for this trade because this might now serve as our liquidity for the early sellers. I think this is the right way to so this is it. This is what we do. This is the level and then we'll push like this. So this is the setup that we should be waiting for. And with this, I would love to clear all these lows. So all these other block I drew here might not hold again because we are coming from here. So yeah, basically this is the neat setup. This is the clear setup. Thank you very much for sharing that. Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay. Though I get okay, I get what you're saying. All right. I think that'll be all for today. I think tomorrow we'll also come here again and check out what we can see. God helping us. All right, so thank you. I'll share when price gets to that level, if price ever does. Because to be very honest, the way I'm looking at the price might not even come back there again. But if it comes, good. If it does not come, good. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for joining. See you tomorrow. Maybe same time and everything. Bye.